guys, I'm Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I have created this look, please watch the video till the end. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now I'll begin with applying this serum, which is the L'Oreal Micro Essence Serum, and I'll just apply it all over to my face with a patting motion, and then we'll move on to the moisturizer, for which I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, which is very good for dry skin people, and I'll apply it to my neck and all over to my face. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using this Sugar Drop Down Base Serum Foundation in the shade 10 Latte, and this comes with a dropper. Now on the right side of my face, I'll be using this foundation brush to blend my foundation. On the left hand side, I'll be using a beauty blender just to see which side gives more coverage and a smooth finish. And on the left side, I'm using this beauty blender, and what I felt while using is that the beauty blender side blends very well and it gives a very smooth finish. So I'm using this beauty blender for my entire face. Now for the concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'll conceal my usual areas on the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, in the corner of my eyes, my cupid pores and my chin. And I'll blend the concealer with the help of this beauty blender, and I'll only cover those areas where I put the concealer. I'll not spread the concealer all over to my face because it can look very patchy. Now with the help of this spoolie, I'll give a shape to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and with very light strokes I'll do my eyebrows. Now usually what I do is I always take a concealer and I just conceal those extra hairs or in my brow bone. It gives a very defined shape to your eyebrows. So if you have seen my previous videos, I've always done this. Now moving on to the compact, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me compact in the shade Light Ivory, and this is a mattifying compact, and I'll apply this compact to those areas where I have put the concealer, and I'll pack those areas with the help of this compact. Now with the help of this fluffy brush, I'll just put a little bit of compact all over to my face. Now moving on to the eyes, I'll be concealing my eyes, which I usually do, and then I'll apply the compact, and then I'll take this shade from the Revolution London palette and I'll apply it all over to my crease and take it above my crease, and then I'll take this Blackjack eyeshadow from the Root Cosmetics palette and I'll put it in the outer corner of my eye. And very gently I'll blend this eyeshadow with my upper eyeshadow on the crease, and then with the help of a fluffy brush I'll blend the shadows together. Now since this is a cut crease look, with the help of an angular brush, I'll take the concealer and then I'll do a half cut crease and I'll put the concealer all over to my upper lids, and then I'll take this purple eyeshadow from the palette and with the help of a flat brush, I'll blend the color into the other purples and I'll blend it very smoothly. Again I'll take this white eyeshadow and blend all the three colors with the help of a small fluffy brush. And once I'm satisfied with the blending, with the help of an angular brush, I'll clear up the edges with the concealer and blend it nicely with a beauty blender, and with a small brush I'll apply the purple to my lower lash line and highlight the inner corner of my eyes with a white silvery shade which is there in the palette. And now I'll take this Maybelline Bold Colossal liner and apply a little not wing but a little liner, and for mascara I'm using this L'Oreal Fall Superstar, and I'm using this serum which is on the other hand of the mascara, and then I'm applying the natural mascara because it will lengthen my lashes, and I'm applying the mascara to my lower lashes also. Now for my contouring, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and Corrector. Now I'll use this as a contour, and I'll just apply it to my below my apple of the cheeks, and then I'll blend it with a beauty blender. Now make sure when you blend the contour, you just take it up to your hairline so that it all looks together, and then I'll just define it with a loose powder, and then I'll take this Makeup Revolution palette which has a bronzer and a highlighter both. Now I'll take a little bit of bronzer and just apply it over my contour just to give it a warm look, and then I'll apply the highlighter from the palette. Now I'll apply the highlight on the bridge of my nose and my cupid bows, and for lipstick I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Philosopher, and this is a beautiful purple lipstick. And with this I complete my today's cut crease purple makeup tutorial. the product links are given in the description box. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will be so grateful to you. Bye.